Hello and welcome to the channel. One of the most infamous methods comes from ancient Greece, the Brazen Bull. The condemned would be locked inside this hollow bronze bull, and a fire would be lit beneath it, slowly roasting them alive. Its design was even more horrifying. A series of acoustic pipes would turn the victim's screams into a sound like a bull bellowing, making the execution a twisted form of entertainment. Moving to ancient Persia, we encounter an equally gruesome fate, Scaphism. Reserved for the most heinous crimes, this punishment, also known as the boats, involved a victim being trapped between two small boats and force-fed milk and honey. Left to fester under the sun, the victim's body would be devoured by maggots and other vermin, with death often taking up to 2 weeks. The Romans, masters of engineering and conquest, also perfected one of history's most agonizing forms of execution, crucifixion. Victims were scourged and then nailed or tied to a cross. Death was a slow, torturous process caused by a combination of blood loss, dehydration, and asphyxiation. It was a powerful tool of terror used to maintain order across the vast Roman Empire. In parts of medieval Europe and Asia, one of the most painful forms of execution was boiling to death. The condemned would be placed in a large cauldron of water, oil, or even molten lead, which would then be heated. The process was slow and excruciating, often used for crimes like poisoning or counterfeiting, making it a particularly horrifying way to die. Finally, we turn to immurement, a punishment that often meant being walled up alive. Reserved for specific crimes, like breaking the chastity vows of a Vestal virgin in Rome, the victim would be sealed inside a small chamber with no way out. They would die a slow and terrifying death from dehydration, starvation, or suffocation, leaving no trace of their final moments.